Hello class. So today I'm going to be sharing how to use the internal rate of return formula to figure out whether a potential investment that you want to make would be beneficial to you or not. So if you look at this table that I made here, you'll see different years with different numbers, right? So in this case, we have a negative $15,000, which would be your investment, and from year one, it's $3,000 that you would gain, and then year two, $4,000, and year three, $4,000, 500, and year four, $5,000, right? And so what we're basically going to do today is we're going to determine what the percentage of reimbursement we would get from our initial investment, and then depending on our cost of capital, we would wage out whether if this was something that would be worth our investment. So using the IRR formula. So what we would do to figure this out is very simple. So we'll click, as you see on D23, this is where I'm gonna type the formula. We're just gonna type the IRR formula, the internal rate of return, and this is what it would be. So it would be equal sign, and then it's gonna be, you're gonna type IRR, and then inside parentheses, and then you're going to hover over these numbers, and then you're going to left click, hold the left click all the way to whatever the amount it would be, and then you're going to want to deselect, and then you're going to want to close parentheses, and then enter. And then that's where we're going to get our percentage of the rate of return on our initial investment. So depending on our cost of capital, whether it's, if it's 4%, then it wouldn't be something that we would want to invest in because we wouldn't get our money back or see any profit. We wouldn't even break even. But let's say if it was 2%, nope, not 200, not 200. Let's say if it was 2%, then we would see a profit. And so this is a great way to kind of gauge whether if something or a project is worth our time or not, and whether it would be a smart decision to make. Or let's say if, like, for example, the rate of return here is 3.63%. Um, if it was higher, like let's say 8%, and let's say it was our cost of capital investment was 2%, then maybe we might be more inclined to make such an investment. Whereas in this case, let's say the cost of capital investment is 2%, and we're only getting a rate of return of 3%, then we might or we might not or might make an investment. So I hope you guys find this really resourceful, and yeah, that concludes this video.